Hey everybody, Tom Winterstein of ChartPros here. If you like most traders, you're kind of may have been thinking to yourself today, what in the world happened and where did these bears come from? And basically what we had was a very technical move to the downside, and the bulls stepped in right where they needed to. But if you were kind of getting chopped up in here trying to find that bottom, kind of like a falling knife, you may have gotten chopped up like some traders that I know. But if we're looking at the higher time frame 4 hour chart, which is one of the best charts for intraday trading, um, the chart kind of told us where it could possibly go. And so once it started to fall, if you didn't get short up here at 41.86, and I didn't, just because the bulls had been in full force for the past couple of weeks, you could have gotten short off of this right here. This was a nice little fib retracement where you could have gotten short, and then rode things all the way down here. But let's say you didn't get short and you tried to get long and you weren't really sure where you could go. Well, if we look at this Fibonacci structure, we've got overlapping fibs right here, and we've got support and resistance. And oh, by the way, we've got a trend line coming off the all-time high. So basically what we got last week was a breakout of this trend coming off the all-time highs. This is the FOMC statement last week where price ran all the way up here to this resistance, another very technical move. And then it ran down here today, and stopped, right here on the dime, and, shot up almost 20 points, right there, kind of as anticipated. No guarantees with price action, but we can always anticipate levels of interest. And so for those of you that may have gotten long here, congrats. You can take this back up to the upside possibly, or they may want to come down here and visit even lower. So time will tell. But good job if you caught that long. Good job if you were short. But basically, I heard a saying recently that if the bears lose and the bulls lose, and what that means is you have to be a trader. You really can't be one or the other. You have to be able to trade in both directions. And so that's it for Chart Pros. And again, I'm Tom Winterstein.